Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. So, um, I need to get this point across, which is very important for the first video of the for the first minute of the video. I will slow down a little bit with my developing of SeekPeek, the browser that I'm working on. It doesn't mean that I will stop working on it. It means that I will have to slow down a little bit because I'm pretty satisfied with what this browser has become so far. It's not like I expected it to be anything um, too advanced. I just wanted to like have a little of fun and develop something that I can call a browser and just that I can see it then being extended to something that's a little more complicated. So yeah, essentially what I learned from this is what is a browser? Just a HTML, CSS, and JS parser and nothing else. Converting text that is sent from a server online to, I guess, something that's like a graphics element or whatever, graphic element. Um, some people might argue that, like, say, browsers are a little a lot more complex, but that's the base thing that, in my opinion, qualifies for a browser. Just parsing HTML, CSS, JS. Of course, that will change with standards, but yeah. So, let me just show you what this browser has become over the development of, I guess, a month or two. Actually, wait, let me see how much time I have been working on this project. Since December, and now it is February 19, so I guess like 2 months, 2 months, something like that. So yeah, it was a fun challenge. I will still continue working on it because there's still seg faults that I'm getting for some reason, probably because images are not loading correctly if the source is not available or something. So there's that, I still have to fix it. But other than that, I'm pretty satisfied with what this has become. So project SeekPeek, let me show you what it's all about. This is the browser, this is how it looks. You might have expected the tabs if you follow my community tab, because I posted an article, I guess a post regarding me adding tabs to the browser. So yeah, you Control T to add new tabs, and that's all actually. Then I redesigned the browser once again, so now you can see a new look to it. And if you type localhost, it will connect. Then you can go to another page, go to example.com, another page, go to bugswriter.com. HTTPS bugswriter.com, and yeah, then links work. You can also delete pages. You can move between pages with Control L and H, like a Vim default Vim key binding. You can close them with Control W. Of course, the last one will not be fully closed. It will just delete the content of it. Anything else that I have to show? I don't think I showed the scrolling feature in the previous video, so with my doubts in mind, let me show you. So yeah, you can scroll down. That's the default padding for every website on the y-axis. Sorry, on the x-axis. So yeah, this is the project. This is everything, I guess. You can take a look at how it works in the in GitHub. And if you're confused about any part, you can no problemo message me on through email or whatever. And I will maybe make a video about it, maybe let you know in the DMs, right? Or anything. I will probably respond because I'm interested in seeing like if people actually care about this, if there's somebody that's interested in this, and like see some feedback, from some interested folks. So if anybody wants to know the inner workings of this, it's more than okay to ask. It's really no problemo. But other than that, there's really nothing else I have to say. Other than, I guess, what I've been working on for the past, I don't know, 1 week maybe, like a semi-project, which is the Archer, I guess a Arch distribution. It's a, it's so random distribution, but okay. Um, it's I was taken interested by looking at this Arch wiki, which is about making your own Arch distribution, and it's interesting how easy they made it to like make your own distribution. You have a default going here, no, sorry, here on a basic like configuration that you get for your own distribution. This is what you get. Like this is what you get for your own distribution. And then you have those files to configure how the distribution will work, how it will operate, and whatever. And it's really interesting. If you're interested in developing distributions but you're not sure where to start, I would suggest this because it's fairly simple and it still gives you that layer of customizability that everybody wants. So if you're interested in how mine looks like right now, this is the end product, you could say. Let's just let it load. But yeah, if you're interested in how it works, this is the page that you should check. Other than that, load keys Slovene and start X. Start the XOR server and i3 along. So yeah, this is how it looks so far. You have a default polybar up here and a terminator as your default terminal. i3 because i3, why not, you know? And of course this is just the installation thing, so I haven't added any packages, any default packages for the installation when you actually install the system. Of course I have to think about how to actually make it easy to install this distribution. Maybe make a script of some sort to like have some preset packages and preset configuration. But other than that, this is how it looks so far out of the box, and it's pretty interesting. So other than this, I think this is all for this video.